Before you proceed to watch this live trading video, please understand that you will have to watch first 3 videos in order to understand the strategy that you are about to see. So please go to my channel here on YouTube and click on the playlists, and now click on Forex Scalping Strategies. Now, once you click on it, you will have here many videos that you have got to watch first, including these 2 right here, the magic of trend lines part 1 and part 2, and don't forget to follow it later with the magic of Fibonacci scalping strategies. Watching these videos is highly important to understand the strategy that I'm offering here on my channel for free. And mainly, of course, you will have to watch this one right here, because this is the main core of the strategy. These other 3 videos right here will help you to improve this strategy right here. So please watch them first in order to understand what I'm doing right here, and you can also apply it later.
Hello everyone, and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So please, before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, as we can see, guys, of course, today I have sent you a deal of the day to buy the pound GPY exactly from this price at 182.087. And as you can see, it's now running in good profit. Actually, I have just sent a notification here on my free group of Telegram to close it right now in 40 pips of profit. And of course, congratulations for everyone who have taken this signal. Now, the reason that I have sent you a notification to close it right now is actually that so many attempts happened right here. So actually, guys, this signal has been activated since today morning, and as we can see, we're having number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attempts to break out from that level of a support. So actually right now I don't trust it anymore. Add to this, of course, that we are having right now a resistance zone, so there is a possibility for the market to make a bearish fall. That's the reason I told everyone to close it right now in good profit and just secure it until I send the next signal. However, in the end, Xtreme Trader is not a signals channel. We are actually, guys, teaching Forex right here, and the main topic of this channel is these live trading videos, because I want to show you how I'm trading my account every day. And now I decided, of course, to open few trades right in front of you. So actually, I'm going to apply simply the 20 pips a day strategy. Now, how do we do that? By simply go to the 4-hour time frame. Now, right here on the 4-hour time frame, we have to identify our level in the market. For example, I'm still with the pound GPY. And right now we can see that right now we are actually on a resistance level. Now, since we are actually talking about a resistance level, so most likely we are expecting a bearish fall. So therefore, my strategy is about scalping just the pullback happens. For example, maybe look at that. Now the pound GPY is falling, and there is a possibility for it to continue the fall. But with my strategy, we are having safe entries and safe exits, because I'm actually advertising to close your trade right on the nearest resistance or support to your entry. So for example, let's say that you have placed your sell order right now on that level of a resistance. The safest place to close your trade in a good profit, which can be equivalent to 20 pips in the day, is going to be right there exactly at the nearest resistance. So therefore, if I move now to the 15-minute time frame, now we can notice, guys, that this is going to be, for example, the sell level, and this is going to be the exit level, because this is right here the nearest support to my entry. So of course, that's how I'm actually making my profits every day, by trading safely. So actually, I can just open now the sell order and just make around 11 pips profit from this signal. Now, if I made, of course, 11 pips from this signal, I have to look to another one and make another 9 pips of profit to complete my 20 pips target. However, I'm not going to place it right now, because based on the 15-minute time frame, I still don't have any good entry. Because right now, if you guys have watched my video, which I have just informed you about in the intro, we have to look at a bearish breakout level, and then look for the resistance number 1 or resistance number 2, and from those levels we can sell the market. However, right now, based on the 15-minute time frame, we're actually on, this is the resistance number 1, this is 2, and right here 3, 4, 5, 6, we're on the 6 attempts of the resistance. That's horrible. I cannot place now a sell order. It's not gonna be safe at all. So therefore, to save your time, let me know, please pause the recording and I'll be back to you once I find a decent setup. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. EURUSD looks fantastic. With the EURUSD, we can trade with 1.2 lot sizes. Fantastic. Place the buy order. Fantastic right now. Fantastic, fantastic. Risking only $50. Take profit level is going to be right there, equivalent to 7 pips, $90. And of course, guys, you can see my entry. It was so sharp on the current price because, as you know, I'm using IC Markets, which I believe is the best Forex broker in the world for scalpers like me. However, let me explain to you the reason behind of this trade. So first of all, for a starter, I sent you a deal, or not a deal actually, a weekly analysis to buy the EURUSD from this level, and this signal is currently running in about 18 pips of profit, total of 33 pips of profit. So it was a good signal. However, it means that the EURUSD, as per my analysis, is going to be rising. So back to the trade. Now, 4 hour time frame. Now you cannot tell me that we are actually on a resistance level. That's wrong, because you are right now on a new support. What you are having right here is a broken level of the resistance right there. That was, of course, a broken level of the resistance, and we are having here the bullish breakout candle. And now the new candle which we are on right now is not a resistance, it's a support, because the market has just made the bullish breakout from that level, and now it's falling again to retest that level. So if I want to see it like a line chart, of course, a line chart, it will be different. As you can see right here, there is the resistance, that is the bullish breakout, and right there is the retest as a new support. So back to the candles and back to the 15-minute time frame. Right there, we are actually having that level of a previous support. Let me just delete the other one so it will not confuse you. All right. So right there, we're having a previous level of a support, which actually has been fake breakout from. And right now we can see that the market is now retesting the same level of that support. So now there is a possibility for the market to continue the rise. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, I'm not so expert in the ABCD patterns, but I think this is going to be A, B, C, D. Maybe. Let's see what's going to happen. Let me just tell you something else, that the stop loss has been placed right there for investment reasons. I don't want to risk more than $50 on this trade. However, the take profit level is going to be right here at the nearest resistance to my entry. So as you can see, the take profit level has not been placed right there randomly, and it's not about the profits that I want to make. For example, some people actually, they are targeting an amount of money on this trade. For example, they want to earn $150 profit from this trade. So they will set their take profit level to be exactly at 150. That's horribly wrong. You cannot force the market to move that like you want or like you wish to. You have to understand that there is science behind this. So therefore, if you want to have the safest entry and the safest exit with a profit, I highly recommend you to just exit your trade right on the nearest resistance or support to your entry and close it and just wait for the next trade. Anyway, guys, let's see what will gonna happen. To be honest with you, so far it's not promising. The bearish movement seems strong. It seems stronger right now, but keep in mind that this candle still has about 8 minutes for the closure. Anyway, let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. All right, so as I have expected, the bearish movement is so strong. I'm actually considering to close it right now in loss. Now let's consider that right now we are actually on Fibonacci 61.8. So there is a possibility for the market to make the bullish reversal right now. So I will do something crazy. I will just increase my stop loss to be 70. That's going to be the maximum I can risk on this trade, because my initial setup was to place the buy order exactly right there on the same level of the support, not this one. Oops. Okay. So I think guys, we have lost this trade. It's gonna happen. It's normal. Not because I analyzed it, it means that it will be 100% profitable. I think we're losing. I hate it. All right. I will wait for it to hit the stop loss. I will not touch it. I will not touch it. Now, let me just tell you something. This is actually one of the mistakes I was falling to. When I see the price action, I was being terrified because I thought it... Look at that. Fantastic. So I was being terrified because I thought that we have lost this trade. But with the experience has taught me to never judge any candle until the candle has actually closed. If the candle closed as a strong bearish candle or a full bar, then you decide that this trade is failure or actually failed. However, now the candle just went down, maybe to create a pin bar, and then it will continue the rise. Again, this candle still has about 6 minutes for the closure, so never judge any candle until it expires. Anyway, again, I will pause the recording and I'll be back to you shortly. Check this out. This is so beautiful. As I told you, my friends, we have to wait for the candle to close. And as you can see, the candle has closed as a pin bar, and now the next candle is blue, and we are now we're right now running in profit. So far, $55–60 of profit. It's approaching the take profit level. I think it's going to be a good deal. Our take profit level is going to be almost $90, equivalent to 7 pips only. I think I don't have to wait for it to reach the take profit level, because right now we are actually on Fibonacci 23.6. I'm gonna close it right now with $66 of profit. Fantastic, fantastic. I really love when it happens. Wow, that was tense. That was intense trade. I thought it will fail, to be honest with you. I thought it will be a failure one. All right, so now that's a good deal. Careful with the lot size. I don't want to forget it. Back to 0.75. Yes, it's rising. I don't care. I already have got out with a good profit. Now let's see what will gonna happen next. Anyway, guys, let me know again. Please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you once I find the next trade. Alright, so CAD GBPUSD actually have something very interesting. First of all, based on the 4-hour time frame, we are currently on a support zone, which means we have to consider buying the market. Also, as we can see now on the 4-hour time frame, the CAD GBPUSD seems like it's respecting that level of the support trend line, as you can see. Actually, I'm a bit late. I need to place the buy order right now. 0.75, 50-minute time frame seems good. I'm very late. Okay, 30, 40, fine. We can risk only 45. That's gonna be fine. Aiming 60, 70. That's fine. Okay. So let me explain to you the reason now behind of opening this trade. Now, first of all, as you can see, guys, based on the 4-hour time frame, we have confirmed that right now we are actually on a support zone, which means we have to look for a buy opportunity, right? All right, fine. Let's now move to the 15-minute time frame. 1 second, guys. Okay. Bless me. I had to pause the recording because I felt like I would sneeze. All right. As you can see right now, back to the 15-minute time frame, we can see clearly that right now we are also on a support zone. And that means that the market, as you can see, the market has already here created a support level. It has faced here a fake breakout. However, eventually, right after that bullish breakout happened right there, the same level of the support has also been respected. And that means that this market has only one direction to go, which is going to be to the upper or to the up. So therefore, as you can see now, right now we are actually on a resistance zone. However, I have placed my trade on this level of a support. Now for my take profit level, it should be placed right there. But however, it's going to be really a tiny profit. 5 pips, equivalent to $33 only. And I know that the market will continue the rise till it reach that level of the resistance. I know it. I know it because based on the 4-hour time frame, the market will continue the rise because based on the 4-hour time frame, this is the new support, and we can exit our trade right here on the nearest level of a resistance. That is, of course, based on the 4-hour time frame, and we can apply the same principle. I mean, whatever we are applying on the 15-minute time frame can also be applied on the 4-hour time frame as well. So therefore, based on the 4-hour time frame, I will close my trade at the nearest resistance, which is going to be right there exactly. So this trade seems to be running well so far. Let me know, please, guys. Pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. All right, so the trade is actually running well in profit, but however, now I'm looking at the USDCHF. Now USDCHF is approaching right here based on the 4-hour time frame, a previous level of resistance. Now is actually a great time to sell this pair. Moving to the 15-minute time frame. Fantastic, 1.1 lot size. It's very trusted. It's very trusted. Place a sell order right now. All right, as you can see, instantly in profit, risking $82, instantly in profit, guys. Amazing. Now, of course, let me explain to you something. Now, based on the 4-hour time frame, we are having right here, of course, a real level of the resistance with the 3 attempts. However, right there, we had one fake breakout. A fake breakout. It means that the market will most likely now being reversed exactly on the same level of a real resistance. That's how this market works. Always a real level of the resistance, a fake breakout, and then the market will respect, most likely, most of the time, the real level of the resistance. That's exactly what I did right here, and therefore, based on the 15-minute time frame, we can see that right now we are actually on the peak of the resistance, or we're actually on the top of the mountain. We are on the highest level of a real resistance. That was the fake breakout, and now we can see the reversal happening. The pullback has just begun, and as we can see, we are instantly in profit. Fantastic. Now, of course, since I have opened my trade right here on that level of a new resistance, the take profit level has to be placed right there at the nearest support to my entry, and the stop loss was placed right there for investment reasons. I don't want to risk more than $70 in this trade. However, as we can see right there, we're having a fake breakout, and right here is the real level of the support. That's the reason I chose my take profit level to be right there. Actually, we have to increase it a little bit more. Why? Because I will not keep the trade running till it reaches $150. I mean, that's not my style. $100 is gonna be fine, more than fine, and enough for me. All right, so things seems to be running well. CAD GPY is running so far in $37 of profit, total of 7 pips of profit. USDCHF is also running so far in about almost not even, I mean, less than 2 pips of profit. So far we are having total of $40 of profit. Fantastic. All right, so let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you shortly. All right, guys, so as we can see, now the total profit is about $70. As we can see, CAD GPY is really getting closer to the take profit level, and USDCHF is still bouncing right here. I mean, I don't care, guys. I really don't care. I just want to make profit. $60 total of profit, that's gonna be fine. Okay, now we can see that the USDCHF, all right, oops, okay, you can see now the movement here on the USDCHF. That's really not safe. That's why I really want to exit this trade right now. I'm sure it will make more profits if I keep it, but I just want to secure the profits. I hope you understand me, guys. I mean, I'm here on my live account. This is not demo, so I have to secure profits, and I'm really worried if the USDCHF might actually make a bullish breakout from that level of a resistance. No matter how I explain it to you guys, nothing is guaranteed in Forex world. Always there is a possibility for a breakout to happen. Look at that. Yes, now it's rising. Now it's rising. Yeah, I think still we have a good chance here with this trade. Look at that, guys. It's so far unable to make the bullish breakout from that level of a resistance, and so far is ranging on the same level. So let's see what will gonna happen. I think I will pause the recording, and I'll be back to you shortly. All right, so far, guys, actually USDCHF is not running well, but I expect it to make a bearish fall any moment, so I will keep it running. However, CAD GPY is so far running in 9 pips of profit, $46 of profit. I'm gonna close it and get done with it with these small profits. Okay, guys, it's okay. It's fine for me. It's fine by me. I'm okay with that. Now remaining is the USDCHF. Now we have to wait 10 minutes more for this candle to close. Then we will decide what we can do, because as we can see, this candle still has about 10 minutes for the closure. So anyway, guys, let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. So as you can see, guys, this trade is finally running in profit. I know it's a very small profit, guys, only $32, but I'm done with it. $30, I'm done with it. It has been irritating to me, actually, and I really want to get done with it. So guys, now this video is 18 minutes, and I think that's gonna be enough for the live trading video. We have done good here. We have made a good profit. Not bad, not that much, of course, I know, but still for me that's fine. I have reached half of my target for today, and we still right now at 5 p.m. so we still have like 3 or 4 hours more to trade. I will continue trading, and hopefully I will reach my target. So again, if you guys want to enjoy the same trading experience like I do, please support the channel by opening account in IC Markets and give it a try. You can check by yourself how I really trust this broker and why I believe it's really the best Forex broker in the world. And again, guys, until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.